are expected to show steady year-end demand with trends diverging across segments. And Ashesha is here to take us through what the market is expecting.
Well, yes, we are expecting strong month for auto sales, especially because of GST-led and festive-led demand uptick. So as far as the passenger vehicle sales is concerned, remember wedding season is expected to boost demand. Commercial vehicle volumes are also expected to be on the higher side, led by operating economics that the sector is expected to enjoy. As far as two-wheeler segment is concerned, for that we are expecting inquiry conversion to be on the higher side on account of GST-led cut. As far as tractor segment is concerned, this is expected to be a laggard this time around in the month of December. Strong demand led by healthier cash flows will aid numbers, but as compared to other segments, tractor segment is expected to be slightly on the slower side this time around. So that's as far as the segment-wise performance is concerned for the month of November. Let's talk about Tata Motors then. We are expecting 55,250 units of sale in the month of November, an uptick of a solid 17% on a year-on-year basis. Now remember, for all these companies on a month-on-month basis, when we look at the numbers, they will look weak, and this is on account of a higher base. Remember, October had the impact of Dussehra, Diwali, so that is likely to weigh heavy on numbers when we compare them on a month-on-month basis. Meanwhile, Maruti Suzuki, we are expecting a 16% uptick YOY and 4% decline on a month-on-month basis. Shifting focus to some other companies then, M&M Auto, that one is also expected to report a solid growth of 16% on a year-on-year basis. So across all parameters, as far as the commercial vehicle and the passenger vehicle segment is concerned, we are expecting double-digit growth on a year-on-year basis. Hyundai, meanwhile, could be a little shy of that double-digit mark. 9% YOY growth, 66,487 units could come in for Hyundai. So that's as far as passenger vehicle sales is concerned. Let's talk about commercial vehicles then. Eicher Motors, 20% uptick YOY, this on account of GST-led demand uptick and also festive demand, which continued to aid commercial vehicles in the month gone by. Tata Motors commercial vehicle could also report an uptick of 15% on a year-on-year basis. So that's the commercial arm of Tata Motors, and Ashok Leyland could also report a solid uptick of 17% on a YOY basis. But as I mentioned, on a month-on-month basis, numbers will look weak on account of higher base. Eicher Motors RE could report 1 lakh units, which is an uptick of 23% on a year-on-year basis. This compares to Vahan data of about 1.14 lakh units. TVS Motor at par with other companies in the sector, 22% upside is what we are expecting on a YOY basis. So that's as far as the commercial vehicle category is concerned. Shifting focus to the two-wheelers then, Bajaj Auto could report an uptick of 6% YOY. We have Hero MotoCorp and TVS Motor, which could report an uptick of 23% and about 29% on a year-on-year basis. So that's as far as the two-wheeler category is concerned. So yes, across the boards, barring tractor segment, all other sub-segments are expected to report strong set on account of GST-led cut and festive demand in the month of November.
All right, thanks Ashesha for that update. A largely steady set expected from the automakers this time.